Hi everybody, welcome to Cedar Creek RC. It's John here. So I got this project. I guess it's a project. It runs and drives. It's a little beat up and scuffed up. And I've already done a couple of things on it just because I wanted to see if I could make the clipless body system work. And I got it to work. It's not perfect, but I just wanted to be sure it worked before I tore it all apart and put it back together, and then it didn't work, and then I had to go back and redo stuff. So I just wanted to make sure it worked. So clipless body system does work. I'm working on filling in the holes where the body posts were, but you can see it's pretty beat up and dirty, but it's a project and it's going to be fun. I hope it's going to be fun. And you can see the fenders. And the reason I went with the clipless is I already had these inner fenders. And they were for the Bronco or the Blazer. So that's kind of why I went with them. Because I had them. And if it worked, it worked. And if it didn't, it didn't. But you can see, turn on my other light. It's pretty dirty. But it's all there. Shift servo linkage. And no, I'm going to have to buy new ones of those. Or not shift, the differential. Like, they work, but they don't work perfect. I don't know if they need lubrication or what. But this is our next project. This is our next big build. We're going to strip it all the way down like we did the Red Cat Gen 8. But I don't know if we're going to get new bumpers and a new body. I think I kind of like the beat up look of it. And then if something does happen to it, I won't be mad. But yeah, it runs. It's got the XL5. I think I'm going to probably end up going brushless on it. We'll see when that time gets here. But this is Project Trx4 Bronco. Unless somebody can give me a better name for it, because I can't think of one right now. And yeah, this is like, it works. The body holds. We're gonna fill these, sand those down some, and get all that fixed up once we start on all that mess. Yeah, Project Trx4 Bronco. If you have a better name for it, we can rename it. But that's it for this video. Just a quick introduction of our next project. But in the meantime, everybody stay safe and have a great day.